for me is just like some back pain, like working out. So back, shoulder, and then neck.
It's not right there.
Yeah.
That something happened there.
Big time.
Crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna be a little bit of work here.
Just wait till the scraper comes out.
I'm gonna take you back. Take you back. That's it. You got a little knot. Yeah, that's that knot there.
Oh yeah, I can feel that.
I mean, my goodness.
That's a big knot.
I don't have to work on this one. First adjustment ever?
First adjustment ever. Here we go.
Okay.
Hop in the chair.
Hey guys, if you didn't know already, we released our brand new roller. If you pay close attention, you'll see it in the background of every single one of my videos. Shaped and designed by yours truly, it's made to get in those tough to reach areas. Go check the link in my bio to visit our official merch website. Okay, here we go.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Can you tell it's my first time?
No. Felt great. Here we go. This side's a little bit more stuck. Yeah, you got it. Right here. There they go. That's it.
Yeah.
That was everything.
That was good.
All right, let's see how he moves. Yeah, we got a little bit more to go. But I would say for a first time, pretty good. Sometimes the first timers, they do better because they don't know what to expect.
Right.
They don't fight me. So they're like, oh. Next time they come in, like, what happened? They're like,
You changed.
yeah. Oh my goodness. Ooh, okay. Crunchy. Cheers. I don't know if you can. It's just the sensation of all three joints of the toe going.
That's right.
It's like, whoa.
Everything at once.
You like to place weight on this toe. Okay, I got it. There's no gas left. Maybe you crack them.
Yeah.
Oh, now you felt that?
Yep.
That one, I'm going to have to take it a little bit further, okay? This is tight. Come on. There it is. Got it. Bend your knees. Any knee problems?
Nope.
Okay, maybe low back pain when I do this.
No.
Good. Okay, that.
There we go. Good.
Yeah, that
Here we go.
So just take the neck back, like just kind of look back for me. How's that feeling? Okay. And then look left for me. And then right. Feeling pretty good?
Feels good.
Okay. Now that comes the harder part. I gotta go like into here. Very good. I'm gonna make sure nothing's touching the wood pieces in there. Oh my goodness. Ooh, are you tightening here?
Yeah, it's pretty tight.
No, but are you like... Wait, let me just see how it moves. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let all the air out. Okay, how did that feel?
It felt good.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing sharp when I did that?
Nope.
Okay. Then here we go. Relax that. Good. Feeling all the knots. Deep breath in. And again, how's that feel? Is that right?
Yeah.
And again. It's just real, it's there. There we go. Wow. Okay, I just have to really body slam you a little bit, Got these already. Okay. Dear Lord, what the heck? Right where your trapezius kind of intersects with the lats. Interesting. There you go. Breathe. Doing okay?
Yeah.
This isn't easy. That's it. Okay. Does that hurt real bad?
No, that's good.
Drop. That's it. Breathe. And you have more congestion on the left. Perfect. Get that knot. That's it. You are bruising already. We have a bruiser. We have a bruiser. Perfect. You're doing great. We'll see what we got over here.
Let's see.
Yeah, we got the lat here. Tickles. Sorry, almost over. Almost done. Almost got it. And done. Perfect. Arm down for me. Got you. Anything good? We're almost done. Woo! Oh, okay, done. All right, take your time. It's bright out here.
Ooh,
Gotta
it's
see the
bright
light of day a little bit there. Here we go. I warm this trap up, okay?
Is that back bruised up or what?
You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
We were going to finish it, but yeah, let's take a picture.
Yeah.
So we know what the heck's going on. Sorry, it's in there.
Oh, yeah.
It came out.
That back looks messed up.
I've seen worse. You're okay. Well, it's going to get a little worse because you're bruising still.
Yeah.
The first time is always the worst.
I'm going to feel like $1 million.
Oh,
My
yeah.
back's been so tight.
Give it 48 hours, but you will feel better. All right, look down for me. And this is just kind of the surface. You know, you might need more. We kind of get like a once over the first time and see what that does.
Mm-hmm.
And then we get pickier and pickier as we go along, okay?
Yeah.
There's just so much going on here.
There's just a lot.
There's a lot.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of like, let's just do a little bit
cool.
everywhere, you know?
Yeah.
Perfect. There you go. Oh, let me get it. Okay, that's done.
Working it. Working it.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is wipe off the back, and then we're going to do the chest. But let me just wipe it off. I got it.
That'll be inside.
Yeah, there's just this swelling here we got to take out. Take care of. That's going to take me a little bit. It'll take you a little bit. You got to work on it too. I'm going to show you some exercises, all right?
Please do.
Good. Not the end of the world. I'm just going to feel it. Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh, no. There you go. I'm attaching this one back down to the sternum. There you go. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is not easy. How's the heart? Okay?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm right over it, so it's like, ugh.
No, this feels nice.
All right. Now we're into external rotation here. That's where you struggle a little bit.
Yeah.
Just give you a little bit more range of motion here. Yeah, there you go. Hey, look at all that. You have plenty of range of motion now.
Perfect.
All right, let's do right. The money will be in the shine tonight. Oh no. Just look. Can you see it that way? I'd rather not look down. I guess the trees are right over it.
Yeah, it's a matrix.
Good, like I get the either.
I'm trying. A little camouflage.
Okay, push this back down. This is where the other one was. Yeah, you feel it.
Push it.
Push in, yes. Don't yank it out. I see you said, I'm like, no.
Yeah.
Let me just stretch it. But I like to push down into it. Okay, relax. Other side. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Holding up? Okay. Yeah, see, nothing here.
Yeah, the like total opposite. The side was like big.
So that's the rotation of the sternum, this breastbone here.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a little V like that, and it's rotated on the right.
That's weird.
Yeah, I didn't see it because we had the shirt on before, but now I'm like, oh, this is all popped up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, feel that.
So how would that happen?
Ugh, kick to the back.
What if that didn't happen?
Or kick to the chest. Ugh. Okay. It's going to V. Adult shaped like a V. So let's massage it on a V. All right, and we're going to go this way. I have to use like, there's no way. I can get in there like this. I'll be all nice and tired for you. Like really relaxed. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, test it out.
Yeah,
What would normally make it hurt?
honestly, it's usually if I'm doing like flies, yeah, that's usually what it is.
So resisted? Okay, so then push in towards my hand here. Push in. Is it still feeling weak?
Yeah, it feels good.
Okay. I don't think I have to do the sub-scat. I don't have to do the sub-scat. Trust me, you don't want the sub-scat.
I want it.
We don't.
You don't want it.
Press in for me.
Sounds painful.
It is. Anything here. Feeling okay.
That feels good.
Okay, now relax here. Reach in. Now hold on to that hip and press your elbow into mine.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. And elbow. Any pain? I know we broke this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no, it feels great.
Okay.
Lean away. Perfect. I need a bigger shot for that. That was good. Excellent. And straight up again. Now I did the bad one first. It's 50-50 on the second side. Yep, all the way back. Oh, more. Okay, that's it.
There we go.
This one definitely has more range of motion.
Yeah, right.
This one just kind of like click, click.
Yeah,
Very
just
little
like
effort.
automatically.
Yes. Lean away. Good, good. Excellent. Okay. There it goes. That's all she gets. Okay, other side. Feel. Look up. Oh, there it is. On your back. Yep, just don't fall off. On your back. That's it. Bend your knees. Easy one.
Yeah. It brings it feel longer.
So,
Yeah, let's do it.
the option to say no. Okay, it's a pubic symphysis. So it's a crack just above the groin region. My hands stay here. Press up more. That's all I got. Squeeze. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, yeah. I got the one.
You did it.
There you go.
You did it.
Yeah. Let's go.
I'm gonna try. You're flexible, so I'm like, maybe he can do this. And then squeeze again. I'm gonna make sure I got it. Yeah, we got it.
Perfect.
I know, you've been laying down kind of.
Yeah.
I got another stretch I gotta give you.
That feels good.
Like, place it right there. Now bend your knees and go all the way back. Lay down all the way. Yeah, you gotta. I know. Okay, hold on. You gotta spend a good 5 minutes there. Can you relax into it now with the pillow? We can move this up. Okay.
No, main thing I wanted to get was the back. So I think the scraping and all that, I think that's going to help a ton.
Oh, well, you will find out.
Yeah.
If you want more of a stretch, arms go over the head. But I don't know if you want that. But in a week, let's say you're like, oh, I'm good. I don't feel anything anymore because you're going to stretch your spine.
Yeah.
Be pushing into it. Roll to the side. If you ever feel like you're stuck, you're not. No, head back. You got to practice this. When you're like, I'm stuck. You're not stuck. Head back. Like lay down. Like lie down.